testosterone is a hell of a drug. Never mind cocaine, okay? And if you're in your 20s in particular, right, that testosterone is controlling you in ways you don't know. You'll find out when you're 60, when you don't have that testosterone high anymore. And then you start taking testosterone like, oh crap, I feel like I'm 20. So it's perfectly normal to be sexually attracted to the person on the table. Perfectly normal. What makes you an adult is that you don't make that the driving force for you touching that person. You can be sexually attracted to somebody and be honest about it and actually want to help them and heal them and help them heal themselves, okay? As opposed to, I can't wait to see this person again because she's so sexy, I'm glad I'm touching her, right? It happens, and it might be deep down inside your head. So intention makes a huge difference. You're not gonna have the same success if you don't have the proper intention. If you're really attracted to her, ask her on a date and don't treat her again. Unless she says yes, and then you can treat her again. Don't lie about it. There's nothing wrong with asking a person out because you're attracted to them. You just can't use treatments as an excuse to touch them. That's creepy. All right, I hope you got all of that. That was brilliant. All right.